tricycle driver is here. Picking up our little princesses at the bus. So I ordered margarita. Hi everybody, we are now in Twisted Ice Cream. They have a different kinds of ice cream and I will show you how they make it.
I prefer tandoy.
Tandoy ice cream?
Do you have tandoy ice cream? Tandoy ice cream.
Second restaurant. It's in Tapa Master and we're just getting some drinks.
You want to move to the corner?
Don't worry, be happy, don't worry.
We are now on our second restaurant. It's called, what is this called? Athena? Alexandros joke. It's called Alexandros and they have Greek food here. Greek and Filipino food.
Later that night.
Good evening everyone. We are now back in our room. So it's about 9 p.m. in the evening and we are so exhausted from the travel. We just had some couple of drinks and then a couple of food and then we decided to come back here and relax. So see you tomorrow and good night. So time check, it's 9:07 in the morning and I am very happy because the weather flipped 360 degrees from being very rainy and cloudy. Now it is sunny, it's very windy, the ocean is calm now but it's still low tide as you can see at the back. We are now in Sunrise Beach Resort Club. It's a resort that is very near to the port. The port is just right there, just 6 minutes from the port here. So it's very convenient. It's very near in the center. The most famous is the MJ Square where you can see everything from food, drinks, a little bit of music. But the downside here is I actually haven't seen any party life here. Like there's no club, there's no swimming. I mean, there's no club, there's no drinking, there's no beautiful lights where you can dance away. So that's the only lucky here. But if you want some peaceful and calm healthy food or not so healthy food. Kylie's here! Now we are in Butterfly Garden Cafe to have a breakfast. That's their little market where you can buy everything cheap.
Speak Messiah. Just have a look. Just have a look.
Or sidecar for adults and kids to go around the island for 500 pesos.
The next day.
Good morning, guys. We are now checking out in the hotel. Bye-bye. Because we should have stayed a little while, but they said that it will be the last trip going to Cebu City because there will be typhoon coming or low pressure or whatsoever. The climate will not be good, and it's now it's gonna enter later, so everything was cancelled. So we need to go now, or else we're gonna extend one night. So we're going now to the